Hey everybody, welcome back to Rabbit Motorworks, and we're back again with the 63 Bug. And today's project is going to be replacing the axle boots in the rear, as one of the boots has got a big tear in it. So we're going to start with that and probably do a little bit of cleanup as well too. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so we're going to replace these boots. The cool thing about these boots is that they're actually a split boot. So they're held on with a bunch of screws. So in order to get that done, we're going to jack the car up really quick, take off the rear wheels, and start taking those down. So let's get into it. Push button stop. Cut.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so here's the one boot that's pretty bad. You can see a big hole in it. So we'll start taking this one off and then pop over to the other side. So let's have it. Okay, so that part, axle's got to come up here, so we will get our trusty jack over here. Okay, that's one. Okay guys, so we've got this is the new boot. I opened it up, the package. You can see the big chunk that was missing there, pulled away. I did carve these out, but it's just basically broke apart and it's been open for a while. This came with worm gear drive clamps. These came with the other stepless clamps. I do have a crimper for this, so I'm going to try these and see if I can get that to work. If not, I'll clean those up and use those instead. So yeah, let's get those on. Okay, so here we go. We'll try to get these reconnected. There we go. So as you can see, following this boot job, we are going to do some definite degreasing. Okay, so my strategy is going to be to basically get those connected together with the screws, and that'll give us some tension to hold it. Okay, that's one on. You can see I'm crimped up here, and that's good. Same with this one here. That thing's solid. So A lot of fiddling around, but it's not so bad of a job actually once you get going. So that's good, and nice and tight. So okay, well, you thought the other side was bad. Take a look at this side. It's completely blown apart. So the deterioration of rubber after years of use never fails to amaze me how it just kind of deteriorates. So let's get this one done next. Aha, we've located the transmission fill plug. That's interesting. Okay, going in. Let me get this light out of our head here. Oh my God, look at that oil everywhere. Hey, just like the last one, I think this thing's gonna, yeah, the screw's just gonna come out of it here. Actually, there it goes. Okay. Oh yeah, it's just crispy rubber. You have to ignore the neighbor there. He's vacuuming or blowing or doing something. There we go. That one was really bad, guys. Check that out. Okay, guys, the other boot is on and nice and tight. So we will put the wheels back on this thing and get it cleaned up. But man, look at those boots. This one was just absolutely trashed. This one not as bad. But yeah, what a job getting those together. Hey guys, well, thanks for watching today. We got the axle boots in. Next step is to do some more things on the car. Probably do a cleanup, getting a lot of that gunk and junk out of the back of it as well from all the transmission oil. I'll probably check the transmission gear lube as well too and update that. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe below. Appreciate all you guys' support, and peace.